Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active to unbox as well as briefly introduce you about its specs. So let's get into it. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy Active to unbox. I got it from Amazon for 299 Canadian dollars. Check the links in the description of this video to find amazing deal on its accessories. Also, if you haven't tried Amazon Prime, find the link to try Prime for free in the description down below. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing experience. The first impression of the box itself is that it's super tiny and incredibly lightweight. Just for the comparison, here are the box of the Fitbit Versa, Charge 2 and the Motorola 360, and look at this Samsung watch. I really like the minimalistic design. Let's go ahead and open this up. Samsung has done really good job to hide the paperwork which most people don't even care about under the lid of the box. This was also the case in Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone unboxing that I did. You can find those videos linked up here and watch it once you are done watching this one. Inside the box is the smartwatch itself laid on its side with the button facing on the top. I have the gray version, but you can also get other colors as shown over here. There is also an extra strap which is longer than the one attached already. The centerpiece I'm assuming will have the charger in it, and there it is. It's the magnetic wireless USB charger crumbled in this box. That's it with the unboxing. I really like the minimalistic approach where everything was in the perfect spot to avoid a bigger box. Now let me talk about the specs before ending this video. The smartwatch is packed with Exynos 9110 1.15 GHz dual processor and 0.75 gigs of RAM. All this is powered up by a 230 mAh battery with the WPC wireless charging capability. Since this is a WPC wireless charging device, keep in mind it will not charge with those Q wireless chargers or key wireless chargers, but it will charge with the Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone's wireless charge share feature. This powerful processor and almost 1 gig of RAM does affect the battery life. It's claimed to be good enough for 2 days versus the Fitbit Versa, which still after 2 years of usage gives me almost 4 days of moderate use. Subscribe now so you don't miss any upcoming Galaxy Watch Active videos. This watch has a built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, heart rate monitor, pedometer, Bluetooth 4.2 and NFC. Yes, it has NFC, so now you can use Samsung Pay to pay with your watch at merchant terminal. Pretty cool, eh? This watch has 4 gigs of internal storage, sufficient enough to store onboard music and pictures. It runs on Tizen OS 4.0 and I'm a big fan of the circular menu layout of the Tizen OS. The Galaxy Watch Active is IP68 certified, so you can use it for swimming and it'll be waterproof up to 5 meters. In terms of display, it has a 1.1 inch Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass and the resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. The display looks vibrant despite of its smaller size, and for all the rotating bezel lovers from its predecessor Samsung Galaxy Watch, just so you guys know, it does not have the signature rotating bezel unlike its predecessor, which does contribute to the reduced price compared to its previous versions. In terms of dimension, this watch is 39.5 mm in diameter, 10.5 mm in thickness, and it weighs only 46.4 grams, and literally you won't even feel it while holding it up. total length with the strap on is 230 millimeter, and the width of the strap is 20 millimeter. The built-in strap is 101 millimeter, and the included longer strap is 131 millimeter. The straps are made of silicone, so you get that soft feeling while it's on. To put it on, it's really simple, one-handed task, and you can see on my hand it looks decent. I would say though it's on the smaller side in comparison to the other smartwatch like Fitbit Versa, so if you have a bigger wrist, just keep in mind, but for me you can see it looks pretty good. So that's it in terms of specs. Please stay tuned by subscribing, as there are more Galaxy Watch Active videos coming up pretty soon. Guys, if you are looking to purchase this watch or its accessories, please check the links out in the description. Purchasing from those links really helps us to keep posting videos, as all the videos I do on this channel are non-sponsored and I pay the full price of the product I review to give you guys my honest opinion. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.